Hi everyone, this is a joint tablet I ordered from AliExpress. It actually took almost 1 month before they delivered it to my destination. And when it arrived, I sort of checking to verify if some of the components or some of the added features I ordered came with it. This is a hands glove. I thought initially it was money though. Then I removed it, and it's one of the most amazing things that I've ever seen from this drawing tablet. And it is movement while drawing on the tablet using the tablet pen. And the material is kind of a thick material, highly slippery, and it's enhanced smooth drawing. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you're visiting this channel for the first time, and stay with me as I unbox this amazing drawing tablet. Once again, the name of this drawing tablet is Deco Mini 7 Xpen tablet. So let me remove it from the package label. Now this is the feature of the tablet, Deco Mini 7 Xpen tablet. It enables drawing at a certain angle, and you can tilt. It comes with a pressure pen. It has a very high sensitivity, and you can use it for both Android. You can use it for your PC and your Mac as well. It's compatible with a lot of software. It's compatible with Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Moho, and a lot of animated softwares. You can use this amazing tablet with them, and I bet you won't regret it. I thought of sharing this video in case anyone wants to go for this tablet. Now this is how the thing looks like. It has a 6 special case. I will get there as soon as I remove the leather. So now let's go. Now okay, it has 8-liter keys rather, not 6, and you can equally award or set some certain shortcuts to it. And then the drawing space is 1020 by 1920, so that is the standard drawing you can use. And there's a label tagged to it that you should remove the protective leather before using, so there's a need for you to remove it. And the back of it has an attached component that prevents slippery if you're using it to draw. So that's one of the amazing feature of this tablet, and I will recommend anyone that has or want to start a journey to go with it. Now it came with 3 guides. We have the policy guide, and you have the one that's the warranty. They assure you that this thing will serve you, and they have a quick guide. One of the quick guides for it, we have quick guide for both Android and for Windows. A special way of using this tablet, you can use it for Android, and if you want to use it for Android, you can go about using Android mobile app like Sketchbook and any drawing mobile app that you know. The thing is highly compatible with it too. So now when I unbox it, I realized that it has a pen, it has a cord, it has and this pen is highly sensitive, and it has a cord, it has an additional pen okay, so let's remove it. Now what I'm taking out now is the cord. Here is the pen, so let's remove the pen first. Now this is the pen. It is battery free and it's very smooth. Now the pointer, or is it a grip, it came with a lot of them. additional one. And this pen, it is battery free, like I said initially. And there's a label on it that you should not drop from a certain height. It is highly fragile, so you don't drop from a certain height. So okay, now this is okay. There's a label there warning that you should not drop from a certain height. Okay, don't twist and don't drop from a certain height. So now this is type C cord. You can use it for your iPhone, and then you can use the other one for your Android too. In case you want to use this joint tablet with your phone, that is what you need to do. I'm going to show a little illustration of how to connect it via your phone. So one cord is for iPhone, the other one is for Android, and then this is where you now plug your USB ports, then you now fix the one to your phone. Now this is the cord. This is connected to the detached one, while the other one is connected to the joint tablet. So let's lose it and see. Now the length of the cord is very wide enough. You can accommodate, or you can use it for a wide range. It covers a lot, and this is the additional pen tips that came with it. You can use and remove if one is weighed out by friction and is no longer working effectively. You can remove and fix it, though I've not even thought of doing that, because this is just the recap, and I'm just trying to explain some of the things, some of the components, because I actually read online, I watched similar videos on YouTube concerning some of the components this Deco mini tablet has. So this is where you connect it. You first of all connect it to the ports. Be careful so that you don't damage it. So you first of all connect it, then the other ports, this is where you now connect it to your system. If you are using a Windows or using a Mac, this is where you now connect it to your system. And then in case of phone, you will now use the added feature of it. You now plug this to the Android device, you plug it, then you now plug your USB port in there. Remember to subscribe to this channel. I will be doing more of review of those basic tools you need to use if you are going into Adobe Illustration, you're going to animation for the first time, and if perhaps you want to make content on YouTube, you want to make amazing content, I'll be dropping how to make money. So I started sharing this because I started getting some of the components required that I needed to use. Remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. Thanks for staying.